Next we are discussing distance between circumcenter and incenter. So here ABC is a triangle, I is what incenter and O is what circumcenter. Okay, so we can say this angle is what A by 2. Similarly this angle is also A by 2 because A is what angle bisector. AI is angle bisector of angle A, because we know that incenter is what, it is intersection point of angular bisector. Okay, so here A is what angle bisector, so this angle is what A by 2, this angle is what A by 2. Okay, so if you draw perpendicular here, this is what radius. Okay, this is in radius. Okay, this point we can take M. So we can take triangle MAI, angle MAI equal to what, A by 2, and you can see MI is what, MI is R. So here if you find out sine of A by 2, so sine of A by 2 is what, MI, so that is R divided by AI, hypotenuse. So from here AI equal to what, R we can add what, 4 capital R sine A by 2, sine B by 2, sine C by 2 divided by sine A by 2, we are taking denominator, sine of A by 2. So this is getting cancelled. AI equal to what, 4R sine B by 2 into sine C by 2. This will come. Okay, so AI distance we got. Okay, now OA. OA is nothing but what, capital R, because O is what, circumcenter. Okay, so distance of circumcenter and angular point is what, capital R. Okay, next is what, see, if you join this one, okay, we know that ABC. Okay, if you draw a circle, O is what, circumcenter. Okay, so this angle is B, so this total angle is what, 2B. So from here we are drawing a perpendicular on EC. So this angle is what, 90, and this angle will be what, B. So we can find out this angle. So this angle will be what, this is what, B, and this is what, 90. So we can say that B plus this angle is what, 90. So this angle we can say 90 minus B, that we can say. Okay, so from here we can find out angle IAO. We can find out this angle. Okay, so angle IAO. Okay, so you can find out this angle. So this full angle is what, A by 2, and this angle is what, 90 minus B. So this angle is what, A by 2 minus 90 minus B. Okay, and we know that in a triangle A plus B plus C is what, pi. So from here A by 2 equal to pi by 2 minus B by 2 minus C by 2. This will come. So A by 2 if you put here, so what will come? Angle IAO. Angle IAO is what? Pi by 2 minus B by 2 minus C by 2. And if you take minus inside, what will come? Minus 90 plus B. So 90 getting cancelled. Minus B by 2 plus B is what? B by 2 minus C by 2. This we got. Okay, we want this distance IO. So here we are using cosine rule. Okay, so in triangle IAO, cos of angle IAO, cos of this angle, so it is nothing but what? AI square plus AO square minus OI square divided by 2 times AI into AO. This will come. So this is what? Cos of angle IAO, that is nothing but what? B by 2 minus C by 2. Cos of B by 2 minus C by 2 equal to AI square. Okay, so as it is we are writing AI square plus AO square minus OI square divided by 2 times AI into OA. Okay, AO and OA both are same only. Okay, so if you multiply this one here, so what will come here? 2 times AI into OA cos of B by 2 minus C by 2 equal to ai square plus ao square minus oi square. This will come. So from here we have to find out oi square. So from here we are finding oi square. So this term we are taking in this side and this term we are taking in this side. So what will come here? oi square equal to ai square. So ai is what? This one. If you square it, what will come? 16 r square sin square b by 2 into sin square c by 2. This will come plus ao square. Okay, so what is ao? That is r. So r square. And this term if you take in this side, so what will come here? This is what? Plus what will come? Minus 2 times ai is what? This one. So what will come? 4r sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 into OA. OA is what? R into R. And if you expand this one, what will come? Cos of b by 2 into cos of c by 2 plus sin of b by 2 into sin of c by 2. This will come. So what will come here? OI square equal to what? 16 r square sin square b by 2 into sin square c by 2 plus r square minus 8 into r into r. So what will come? 8 r square sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. This is cos b by 2 into cos c by 2 plus sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. This will come. Okay, now here r square we are writing here. So oi square equal to what? R square we are writing first. Now in this term and in this term we are taking common what? Plus 8 r square sin b by 2 sin c by 2 we are taking common. So what is remaining here? Here remaining what? 2 sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 is remaining here, and in this side this term is remaining. Okay, so here is what? Minus sign. So what will come? Minus of cos b by 2 into cos c by 2 minus sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. Okay, minus of this one is remaining, so minus we are taking inside. So minus of cos b by 2 and cos c by 2 minus sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay, so this is what? 2 sin b by 2 into sin c by 2, and this is what? Minus sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. This is getting cancelled. So what is remaining here? OI square equal to r square plus 8 r square sin b by 2 into sin c by 2, and here remaining is what? Sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 minus cos b by 2 into cos c by 2. This is remaining. Okay, so from here what will come? OI square equal to what? R square. Okay, so from here we are taking minus common, so what will come? Minus 8 r square sin b by 2 into sin c by 2, and this will come what? Cos b by 2 into cos c by 2 minus sin b by 2 into sin c by 2. This will come. So what will come? OI square equal to what? Capital R square minus 8 r square sin b by 2 into sin c by 2, and this formula we know. So this is nothing but cos of b by 2 plus c by 2. This will come. So OI square equal to what? R square minus 8 r square sin b by 2 into sin c by 2 cos of this one we can add what? Pi by 2 minus a by 2. This will come. So OI square equal to what? Capital R square minus 8 r square sin b by 2 sin c by 2, and cos pi by 2 minus a by 2 is what? Sin a by 2. So what will come here? OI square equal to capital R square minus. Okay, so from here what we are doing? 2r one side, and this one we are writing what? 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2. Okay, so from here what we are writing? Here we are writing OI square equal to, this is what? R square minus 2r and 4r sin a by 2 sin b by 2 sin c by 2 is nothing but what? Small r. Okay, in radius. This will come. So OI equal to what? Root over capital R square minus 2 times capital R into small r. This is your formula. So distance between circumcenter and incenter is what? Root over r square minus 2 times capital R into small r. This is your formula.